Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at KYB Autos. Today we have a killer 77 Corvette Coupe. Got Augie here. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are you doing today, Augie?
Hello, how are you?
Good. So
Thanks.
how long have you owned it?
I've owned this car since 2006.
Cool.
I've done quite a bit of work to it over the years.
It sounded really mean when you pulled up.
It does. It's got a nice 2.5-inch Mandrel bent aluminized exhaust.
Great.
With factory style mufflers, ceramic coated headers.
Cool.
383 stroke motor, matted to the factory 4-speed.
Great. You know, you really don't see the 77s with 4-speeds.
No,
They're all automatics.
They are mainly automatics, these urethane bumper cars.
Mm-hmm.
I'm the third owner, so the car has always been garage kept its entire life. I had put in a large front sway bar, 1.25-inch sway bar. I put in a 3/4-inch rear sway bar, KYB Gas Shocks.
Super
Big
nice.
block front coil springs.
Oh, good. Love the color too, white on white.
Yes,
it's also very rare.
It is. It's in really nice shape.
These cars come pretty loaded.
Yeah, it's an air-conditioned car, but the AC, the compressor and the chiller unit there is not in.
Okay.
I have it.
We could always put that back together if someone
Yes,
cares to do.
That's right.
You're not asking $1 million for this car.
I also put a new radiator in it. It's got a PerTronix distributor, a high torque starter, a quick fuel 650 mechanical double pumper carburetor.
Good.
A high volume water pump.
Keep it nice and cool.
It does run. It runs at 180 degrees. It runs nice.
Beautiful. Is this original paint?
I'm not certain. I had the front and rear urethane clips resprayed.
Yeah, they kind of fade out.
Yeah, they do. They fade out.
Looks like original paint.
It could be.
Just a nice, honest car, you know?
It is a nice, honest car, yeah. Well cared for by myself, and knowing the second owner, he took care of it well too. Tilt wheel, electric windows.
Yeah, custom stereo. T-tops.
T-tops. I replaced all the rubber doors, T-tops, windows. So it's all new rubber.
Great. Tires look fairly new too.
Tires, well, they're a few years older, but you know, of course there's not much mileage on them.
Yeah, not much miles.
Brakes are in great shape. I had them redone.
Got tons of receipts.
Tons of receipts. Goes back to the mid-90s, early 90s.
Super nice.
Factory style luggage rack.
Yeah, I like that too. Nice touch.
Yeah.
Sitting on the Rallies too. Pretty
Sitting
cool.
on the Rallies, that's it, yeah.
Cool. You fire it up?
255 60/15 tires.
Eagle GT2s. Hey Augie, can you pop the hood too? Things like 200 or 175 horse, clogged up with emissions.
Got some power up in the RPM.
Yeah, man. Especially with that quick fuel carburetor.
Quick fuel carburetor, Holley, air gap intake.
Yeah, super nice. Like a high rise. Wow, new wiper motor.
No, that's an air pump for the brake.
Oh yeah. Yeah, this sucks it up for sure. Stainless steel headers, those are long tube. GM hoses. Looks like you got new cans up front for the headlights. Love that intake too. Nice touch.
Yeah,
Nice high volume radiator. Electronic ignition. Nicely done. Electronic coupe. It fits nicely under the hood too, you know. Everything you need and nothing you don't.
that's right.
Electric fuel pump.
Electric fuel pump, electric Holley fuel pump. Yep.
Cool.
It's a great driver to enjoy.
Very nice.
Put the L88 hood on it.
Yeah.
Due to the
Oh,
high
carb,
rise,
yeah. High
didn't
rise
fit,
and the
so
carb, yeah.
I put that L88 hood on it.
Looks good. Aluminum pulleys.
Aluminum pulleys, yep.
Love this white interior too.
Probably won't see another one like it.
Yeah.
I'm assuming.
I don't think so. I've never seen one like this.
They call it deluxe interior.
Yeah.
Yeah, not that common.
It's not. Gives you a leather wrapped steering wheel and all the goodies.
Factory original, yeah.
Yeah, like how your pocket's not all sagged out.
Yeah.
Got a custom stereo in here.
That's a GM factory stereo
is?
right there, yeah.
Oh, it looks like an auto sound.
Yeah, no, it's factory original.
Cool.
All the gauges work.
Showing 1,625 miles, probably 10,
Yeah, it
101, yeah.
Yeah.
tilt telly wheel.
Yeah.
Real nice dash. All the gauges work. Clock's right twice a day.
Clock don't work.
Oh, there it goes.
It does.
Yeah, you tap it a little bit. There it goes. Oh,
It's the first thing to go wrong with these cars.
yeah, you ain't kidding.
Analog style
Love it with the 4-speed though.
car. Yeah.
Killer.
That's all the difference.
It really does.
That's the
So
reason I
lame with an
bought it.
automatic.
I only bought it because it was a 4-speed. And it was the second owner.
Yeah,
You know?
it's a big difference.
That's what pulled me in.
Serious. Yeah, factory white. Sounds great, man. This is a killer car for the money.
Yeah, I believe so.
Yeah, so much fun.
Yeah, definitely a nice driver. Took a lot of attention.
This is white.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from KYB Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out about 200 and change photos I took today on the website. That's KYBautos.com. Smash that subscribe button. Hit me up. This one's not going to last long. Thanks again, Augie.